Good day, everybody. My name is 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗘𝗖𝗧, CEO and founder of Yacht Crew Center, a platform for crew members, business providers to come together in a seamless operational standpoint, bringing the power of software and digitization to the modern age in the industry that's really needed it, in my opinion. So from here, I'd like to introduce our supplier dashboard. This is where any sort of vendor or manufacturer can operate their business and operate and keep track of all of their orders throughout the United States and the European Union. Once you apply for onboarding into our system and you go through the approval process, you will get access to a free dashboard where you can conduct your business and serve Yacht Crew directly. From there, I'd like to just give you a quick breakdown of how the dashboard works. Here's the overall view of the dashboard. You have total products, low stock items, active orders, and your revenue standpoint. From there, you get quick action buttons to your inventory management, your settings, or your profile, where you can add different categories if you're expanding on sort of items you manufacture, goods you sell to crew members. You can just keep continuously expanding your business as we drive clientele directly to you. From there, we'll go to your inventory management. Here you can see your entire list of inventory. For example, champagne bottles, test items, boat soap, burning first aid kit, and you can track your entire stock quantity here as well. There you can come in, you can look at everything, edit it, give the physical attributes. This is necessary when it comes to shipping logistics. If you're a long-term manufacturer, you understand the sort of requirements when it comes to shipping. From there, you can come in, you can add new products. If you're expanding your inventory list, you can come here, upload a new photo, put in the product name, description, and fill out all the relevant information that is required for shipping and handling. If you're a bit more traditional, in my opinion, this is the better way of managing all of your inventory. This is just a system that lets you take those internal high-level documentations and bring directly to here, so you can just keep everything in one view. There you can upload an Excel file, a CSV, or you can use our AI parsing tool. Here you can download a template which gives you very specific data fields that is required for entry into this method. But say you're using a different method. Maybe you're using an Excel file that doesn't exactly follow the data fields in our template. From there, you can come to the AI parser, choose an Excel file, and upload your inventory sheets directly into this. This parser is able to deduct different sort of names, and so if maybe you, in the data field in your Excel file, you say product name instead of item, it'll be able to say, okay, product name and item are pretty much the same thing. I can parse it into our system to where we keep the data in our databases, and so it puts it in the correct category, and you don't have to worry about adding or editing thousands of items, thousands of different sort of information. It's all just in one spot that you can upload seamlessly. So from here, we'll upload this inventory template. This is our test template. Confirm, import. And just like that, it's done. Brings you directly to your inventory management dashboard, and you'll see your updated inventory items right there. And so this is a really useful tool. So say if you reach a low stock quantity, if you get 1,000 purchases of a champagne bottle and you just got 1,000 into your inventory, you just upload the way you traditionally do. You can use the Excel file or your internal documentation, upload directly into our system, receive orders, and continue operating your business that way. From here, you go to your orders. This is orders directly from crew members. These are test orders, but this is just showcasing how the system works. From here, we have one we created today for 4 marine first aid kits. Here, you see its status is pending. So if you see it's pending, you would just go ahead, create the order, put it into a shipping box, and then you would come back to the platform and say, confirm order. Once that order is confirmed for shipping, order confirmed successful, you'll be able to come back here. The crew member would then pay for shipping. Shipping label would then email to you, or you print it, add it to the box, and then ship it in the traditional method. Somebody either comes, picks it up directly from your store, directly from your distribution center, wherever, we take care of that. Here you'll be able to see your transactions. So for completed invoices, you'll be able to see and track everything in one central location. Here are your notifications. I'll say you received the order. That was the order we just confirmed. Come here, take a look at it. Boom, done. You're on top of everything. From here, you can see all your different settings, your business information, email notifications, your address information. Your address information is extremely valuable information because that's where the pickups will be done when it comes to our logistics providers. We work with FedEx, UPS, and DHL that offer a lot of pickup same-day services that then can deliver directly to the crew depending on what the crew picks when it comes to the logistics provider and how quick of service you want for that item. And from there, you can come to here, just edit your dashboard. Very simple overview. And from there, you also have a AI chatbot in the right-hand corner that you can ask any sort of questions to. We use OpenAI's knowledge base, and we have a diversion to our own personal knowledge base. And so as the system continues to grow, as you guys continue to utilize it, it'll become your own personal AI assistant that is specific for your account. And so as you continue to operate inside of the system, you'll be able to pull different data points saying, which item am I selling the most? Where am I shipping to the most? Who's my best customer that I'm using? And proceed from there. And yeah, that's everything when it comes to the dashboard. It's very simple to use. If you wanted to apply, we have another video when it comes to onboarding. It's a very simple process. I believe today with the modern solutions, instead of having businesses spend hundreds of thousands of dollars dealing with software developers, dealing with tech stacks and different things people are not typically used to, everybody should just focus on what they do best and what their business does best and leave everything else to YCC and leave everything else to us because we just love having and creating these systems that help utilize the yachting industry. And as YCC continues to develop, we're going to be at the front line in that fight. So it's nothing to be scared of. It's a very simple system to use. And we look forward to working with you. If you want to, you can book a demo down in the comments. And in the links, we have a Calendly where you can book a demonstration with either myself or members of my team. And then we can proceed from there and get you guys making some money in a more simple